It's summertime, and did you know that your sunscreen is outdated? And Americans have been suffering because of it. Yesterday, the FDA approved the first new sunscreen ingredient in over 25 years. It's called Bemotrizinol, and it's been in Europe and used by Europeans for decades. It's a chemical UV filter that provides broader protection against UV light than American zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, including long-range UVA rays, which is the wavelength thought to penetrate most deeply into the skin and is most associated with the development of skin cancers. Which makes me recall that in 2021, various law firms around the country filed lawsuits for victims who developed cancer from defective sunscreens after prolonged use. They developed these because of a recall by Johnson & Johnson, who at the time recalled a number of its leading spray-on sunscreen products, including some that are very popular like Neutrogena and Aveeno brands. And this was after their own independent lab testing found that those products contained benzene. Many law firms filed class action suits for victims who were diagnosed with cancers, mainly non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, after showing that they had regularly used these sunscreens for over a year. In contrast, Bemotrizinol has an extensive safety dossier which has been safely and widely used in sunscreens across Europe, Asia, and Australia now for decades. The FDA has concluded that the sunscreen chemical shows no evidence of cancer-causing properties or harmful effects on birth or offspring. That's not to say that the current American chemicals used in sunscreen, such as zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, have ever been found to be cancer-causing. They have not. But Americans will now seem to have a better UV alternative to their sunscreen, and one that seemingly is much more safe. It's said that the manufacturers are trying to get it out to the market here quickly. Probably not in time for this summer beach season, but perhaps by the end of the year. Will you buy it? Will you feel safe? What do you think?